In this video, we'll set up our IDE and write our first Python program. I'll be using VS Code, but feel free to use any IDE or text editor you prefer. First, let's install the Python extension in VS Code. Open the extensions. Search for Python, and click Install. I have already installed it. Let's make a new folder. Go to Files and Open Folder so that it becomes our project folder in VS Code. Make a file with name firstprogram.py. Now type print and in parenthesis in double or single quotes type some text. Now save the file and open a new terminal in VS Code. Here, run the file by typing Python and the file name with the extension py. Upon hitting enter you'll see the text will print on the screen. Congratulations! You've written and executed your first Python program. You're now officially a Python programmer. Please subscribe, like and share and keep watching my upcoming videos.